everyone, Renee here. It's holiday gift set season, so I'm going to share with you 3 of my favorite luxury ones. These are the perfect elevated gifts for those who are usually quite difficult to find gifts for. My mom comes to mind, or certain friends who I just want to give something super special to. This video is in partnership with Shiseido, and I'm going to be unboxing 3 of my favorite of their many holiday gift sets. I specifically chose these for their great value, hello, but also the ones that have my favorite, most iconic of their formulas. Different sets with different price points that meet different gifting needs. I also chose sets that provide an entire routine because after I took my Shiseido skincare quiz, it was such an indulgent experience to have every step of the routine using a formula from the same brand. And the sets really allow you to experience that at such great value and even try out some formulas that maybe you're curious about. The first set features one of my all-time favorite formulas, the Benefiance Smooth and Brighten Eye Cream Set. This is $67 with $139 value. This has a full size of one of the best eye creams around, and in my opinion, one of Shiseido's most iconic formulas, their Benefiance Wrinkle Smoothing Eye Cream. I started using this around my mid to late 20s. It was one of the first very serious eye creams I used. And through the decades, I still keep going back to this. The set contains their cleansing foam, which is deeply cleansing, and it leaves your skin feeling really soft afterwards. And you really only need a teeny tiny bit of this cleanser for your entire face. This is literally all you need. And of course, their Ultimune Activating Essence, which is another one of their most iconic. This was Shiseido's first ever formula. This was launched in the 1890s. This was used by geishas to refine and perfect the texture of their skin. It also protected their skin from all that heavy geisha makeup. It's just one of those formulas that really stand the test of time. Then also from the Benefiance line, their wrinkle smoothing cream is more meant for normal to dry skin, but rest assured there's nothing that feels heavy about the set at all. These Japanese moisturizers are in a luxury texture category of their own. We're talking super silky, refined. The moisturizer actually feels lighter than that of the eye cream even, but it is still moisturizing. It actually feels really hydrating. It doesn't sit on the skin at all. It does seem to just sink in, but it does leave the texture of your skin feeling really soft and smooth. And then of course, the last step of the routine, you have the eye cream. If the skin around your eyes are dry, there are a lot of visible fine lines, or they just crack with any expression you make, then this is one of the most glorious eye moisturizers. It's rich, but it really does such a great job at relieving this area, moisturizing it, smoothing the appearance of those fine lines. Even during the daytime, especially when it's dry out there, makeup and concealer sits over this really well without cracking and creasing. So this next set features a bunch of new favorites I have. So this is very similar to the routine that I got after my Shiseido skin quiz. Their Ultimune Resilient Radiance Serum Set. This is $145, but valued at $223. These are pretty much all the formulas in my Shiseido skincare routine, so this is a great time to try some of these out. The superstar in this set that comes in a full size is their Ultimune Power Infusing Serum. Again, we start off with the cleanser. This really cleanses your skin. Any fine dirt, anything sitting in the pores, it comes out. But at the same time, it doesn't strip your skin. And then you've got the Ultimune Essence, which you apply right after cleansing. The Japanese style essences are first treatment essences, so they're usually applied before all other skincare, and it's really there to prep your skin. But these are also probiotic, prebiotic rich formulas that just do a lot to refine the texture of your skin, even out the skin tone. Next, there is the Power Infusing Serum, and the Ultimune line is all about slow aging. So slowing down the aging process and just boosting skin immunity, making your skin barrier strong and healthy to resist any of the environmental forces that are trying to age your skin. In my own personal experience, using these 2 formulas together and layering them is just next level hydration and plumpness. The key ingredient here is their fermented camellia plant. Camellia is one of the foremost plant ingredients very widely used in Japanese beauty for well aging. And not just in skincare, it's widely used in hair care as well. It's the tsubaki of it all. It's a luxury ingredient, and in Ultimune, the entire plant is utilized, from the seeds to the flowers to the leaves, and fermented to make everything even more potent. I find this to be quite a hard worker. If you're using this consistently every single day for a few weeks, you will already begin to see the difference in the texture of your skin, how refined it looks, smoother, more even toned and brighter. I mean, this definitely brings out an inner skin glow. It's different from very hydrated skin glow. This is not dewiness. This is like radiance from within coming out. And then last step, you've got the Vital Perfection Uplifting and Firming Advanced Cream. This is one of their best-selling moisturizers, and I can really see why. I find it to be actually very lightweight and silky. I actually used this through the summer, and I felt it to be so comforting. I love applying this with upward strokes every time I use it, which I think does make a difference to helping everything look more lifted. It's the kind of moisturizer just universally, it not just feels so good when you're applying it on your skin, but actually makes the skin look good. So the Future Solutions set is the one I would have had on my own wish list and the one that I am most likely to gift for just how beautiful the formulas are. The Future Solution LX Regenerating Cream Set is just so luxurious. When you use the routine together, you feel like a queen. This is $300, valued at $437, which is basically the price of the cream. It pretty much immediately transformative from the very first time you use it. This routine is on the richer side, so it's more suitable for those with normal to dry skin and more mature skin. It's so perfect for the colder, drier months. I actually did this entire routine today. Starting with their extra rich cleansing foam. This is, again, a second cleanser, and it's exactly what you expect it to be. It's luscious. This kind of texture and this kind of stretchiness always signifies to me how hydrating a cleanser is. Again, a little goes a long way. This tiny bit is all you need for your entire face. Cleanses super well, not stripping at all. It actually feels very gentle. Every single step in this routine is designed to leave your skin feeling insanely rice paper smooth. The next step is their Concentrating Brightening Softener. I find this to be a category that's unique to luxury Japanese skincare, but it really does soften your skin. How this immediately affects the texture and smoothness of my skin is very noticeable. Again, it's that whole rice paper smoothness regardless of how abysmal my skin texture was prior to using this. Skin softeners, they just transform. This one, it hydrates, it plumps, but it also brightens as well. Just magically, everything feels and looks refined. No makeup needed. Completely new to me, but I want the full size now, is their Intensive Firming Brilliance Serum. This is not your typical serum. It's not like the Ultimune, which is really lightweight. This has a very concentrated, but almost emulsion-like texture. It is very moisturizing. The changing seasons right now, everything is just drier. And this just feels like the most comforting thing. It feels like a light lipid layer that's very nourishing. Again, a little bit goes a long way. There is the silky glide when you apply it, but it's just the comfort. And you just want to take the time and massage the serum into your skin. I woke up with the dullest dry skin that was sort of flaky in places, and this shellacked everything down and this glossy glow appeared. And I do think that it is the combination of these two layered on top of one another and just brings life to my skin. So lastly, but not leastly, the star of this set is their Total Regenerating Cream. This is inspired by 40 years of genetic aging research and is focused on improving 6 signs of skin aging. I personally absolutely love this moisturizer, especially when my skin is feeling dry. The other moisturizers I've used from Shiseido are really quite universally appealing. Will suit all skin types, not heavy, despite being able to work hard. This, on the other hand, is dense and creamy and rich, and I love it. The application is, again, it's silky. It glides, applies in a way that's not thick and heavy, but this is moisturizing. Fine lines and crackling skin just have no chance, and this is also long-lasting moisture. I like, of course, that this leaves a nice dewy finish. Again, dewy, not greasy. It's great for nighttime, but I can personally attest to the fact, since I used this whole ritual this morning, that it sits really well under makeup still. In fact, I feel like makeup applies beautifully over this. So these are my favorite luxury gift sets. Whether you want to pamper yourself or pamper someone else, these are solid. I do hope you find something amazing and transformative. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'm wishing you great skin health. Bye.